It may be Christmas and I missed it all, but I get a package from WIZnet today with some goodies, also some merch, and that was nice. I love this company because they are a bit wild and weird as I am. No, they are not weird. I am weird. First, this one, some candy. Oh, you have to look. And card. Arduino. Footprint and Ethernet. Okay. Check that out. And the Pico board. It's a Pico processor. I don't know which one this is, but if it's RP2040 or a later version, I can see here. Check. Yeah, it's a W55 RP20, and this is a really goodie. Ethernet processor, the Pico processor, and a perfect board for the projects. And this, I guess, is a carrier board for this one. The thing I call candy here is the one I am most curious about. It's the WIZIP20 IO port, and it's a new thing from WIZnet. Let's see if I can get it out. It's a serial to Ethernet connector, or what should I call it, a device, and it's in this size. If we a typical mag jack size, or a little bigger if we compare to one of my boards, but you really have the serial line to TCP/IP on this one, so it's never been easier to get devices that are Ethernet connected. And as I read about this, it has support for TCP/IP servers and clients, multicast, which is important for VSCP, UDP, name it, MQTT, and a lot of other things. So this is a really hot device, and I don't remember the price just at the moment, but it's also very good. So I'm very excited now to make some reference projects for VSP on these things. So hopefully we'll be able to do that before the summer leaves. I better get to it. Thanks, VSnet.